In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in Notion using large and small text. Notion keeps font sizing simple, so instead of dragging a slider or entering a number, you'll use built-in options to make text larger with headings or make the entire page more compact with the small text toggle. I'll walk you through both, step by step. Start by opening your Notion page on desktop. Once the page loads, click directly on the text you want to adjust so the cursor is inside that block. To make that specific line larger, type a / followed by the word heading. You'll see options for heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 appear in the menu. Choose heading 1 for the biggest, most prominent line, heading 2 for a strong but slightly smaller title, or heading 3 for a compact subheading. As soon as you pick one, the selected text turns into a heading block, giving it increased size and visual weight. This is ideal for titles, section breaks, and any content you want readers to notice at a glance. If you change your mind, you can place the cursor back in the block and choose a different heading level or return it to a normal text block. If your goal is to shrink everything on the page to fit more content on screen, use the small text setting. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the 3 dots to open the page menu. Find the small text option and toggle it on. This affects the entire page layout, reducing the overall font size and line spacing so your content looks more compact. It's a quick way to get a denser view, especially helpful on wide monitors or information-heavy pages. You can toggle it off at any time to go back to the default sizing. A quick but important note about Notion's design philosophy. There's no custom font size control. You can't drag to resize text or set a specific point size. The only ways to change size are the 3 heading levels for making individual lines larger and the small text toggle for making the whole page smaller. Combining these gives you clear hierarchy without fuss. As you try this, keep your page structure in mind. Headings create scannable sections, while small text changes the reading density for the whole page. Both adjustments are instant and reversible, so experiment confidently. That's how to make text large or small in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe.